Hi everyone, you are watching IInd. Welcome to my channel. From today onwards, we will be starting the new series on the chapter set. In this chapter, we will learn sets, concepts, and how to use it in the real life and solve the problem. In our mathematical language, everything in this universe, whether living or non-living, is called an object. If we consider a collection of objects given in such a way that it is possible to tell beyond doubt whether a given object is in collection under consideration or not, then such a collection of objects is called a well-defined collection of objects. While working on this video, I thought, is there any simple way to define a set? Yes, there is a very simple way, and I am going to show you that definition, and the definition is like this. Definition: any collection of well-defined objects is called a set. By well-defined objects, we mean that given a set and an object, it must be possible to decide whether or not the object belongs to the set. The objects is called a set are called its members or elements. This is the set circle, white circle, and in which there are small dots everywhere with a different colors. We are using different colors to denote it. There are different individuals or members. In that set, the small dots are objects or elements, or small circles are its objects or elements, and we say it these objects or members are of that particular set. Next one is notation. Notations: sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. Capital A, B, C, and their elements by small letter A, B, C, etc. Here, by this symbol, let A be any set of objects and let A be a member of A, means small a be member of capital A. Then we write A like this and read it as A belongs to capital A, or A is an element of capital A. Means what? In this bigger circle, there is a capital A and small a. Small a contains in the circle, means it is in its parameter, means what we are telling is small a is a member of capital A, or small a is an element of capital A. That's what we are telling it. Now, if we change this symbol a little, its meaning changes. Like if a small a is not an object of capital A, then we write it like this and read as A does not belong to capital A, or A is not an element of capital A, or A is not a member of capital A. Means in the perimeter of this circle of capital A, small a circle does not belong. Small a is outside of that A. By this diagram, we are showing that A is not an element of capital A, small a is not a member of capital A. A does not belong to capital A. Here are some examples. The first one is the collection of first 5 prime numbers is set containing the elements 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the first 5 prime numbers. With this collection, we call it a set. Now, the second one is that the collection of good cricket players of India is not a set. Since the term good player is vague and it is not well defined. Good player, this term is vague, it is not well defined, that's why we cannot call it a set. Whereas the first 5 prime numbers, we call it a set. It's perfect. We can tell direct answer 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. Thanks for watching this video. This series will continue in the next video. Bye.